go to the Nutella. Yay.
Recipe.
The recipe is there in your form. So, first, I'd like to teach you how to roast the hazelnut.
Kailangan
So, I bought the hazelnut sa Asad, Minimart.
we need to label
Asad, A-S-S-A-D. Yes, it's an Indian store. It sells mga spices and lahat ng nuts meron sila. Pero today, pumunta ako out of stock. 1/4 is 300 pesos. So, marami ka na magagawa kasi, we only use 40 grams eh. So, sa 250 grams, ilan na yon, right? So, matagal din. I already did the roasting earlier. I'll show you. Pero this is how I do it. If you have a muffin pan, you just put your nuts. Siguro dalawa in a hole para hindi siya dikit-dikit. So, let's roast this para makita nyo. It doesn't, hindi naman. Or kung meron kang, pwede rin. Or kung may cookie sheet ka, basta ano lang sila, yung separate. Hindi sila dikit-dikit. Kasi, na-try ko yun yung dikit-dikit. Yung portion na dikit sila, ang hirap tanggalin. So, hindi siya masyado na heat up. Minsan, meron din na pag ginanon mo, tanggal na lahat. Yun yung masarap. So, you heat your oven at 160 degrees centigrade. And then, roast it for 10 minutes. Cannot be less than 10. Can be 9.5. Kasi tinry ko 7. Binalik ko siya. So, it has to be 10 minutes.
10 minutes sa
160 po. Centigrade. So, let's try, So, preheat ko muna siya. So, we'll do that. Pero, I already have mine. Wait lang. Let me wash my hands. Okay. So, I did mine earlier. I usually put a paper towel. After natin na-roast, kinuha na natin sa oven, you let it cool. Hindi pwede mainit kasi hindi matatanggal yung balat. It has to be cooled down. So, this is how it's going to look like. Pero nagtira ako ng hindi ko siya nabalatan. So, okay. So, this one, kasama siya dun sa plastic. If you see something like this, you throw it out na kasi spoiled na siya. Yung maitim na. Magkakaroon ng different taste pag sinama mo pa siya. At saka hindi mo na mababalatan eh. So, I had to show you lang para pag nakita nyo. Ayan. Meron ako nakuha 2. So, kung like this one.
Sira na yan. Hindi na siya.
Sira na siya.
Parang,
So, hindi ko na siya sinama. So, like this one, ito, inano ko lang, buo na siya, wala na lahat. Ito yung pinakamasarap. Kasi ang bilis ganon. Mabilis na tanggal. Like this one, cooled na siya, di ba? So, ganon mo lang siya. Magsaslide na. Right? Ayan. Pero, may portions na hindi matatanggal. Nakadikit siya talaga. So, what I do is, I just take a knife and scrape it off. Pero minsan, pag ginanon mo siya, natatanggal ka agad, no? Right? So, mabilis. If not, then you take off some portion. Ito na yung nabalatan na.
Yung binibili ko sa Asad, lahat may balat. Kung pwede ko lang balat.
Wala sila eh. Pero, while I was looking kanina, meron sa Shopee ng roasted na. Pagtamad. If you don't want to roast it, kasi sometimes yung ganito, it takes me a while to finish
Para siya
it. Even if it's 40 grams lang. Opo. Meron din. Yes. Marami sila. Meron sa Green Hills, Pasig, Makati, all over. Quezon City. So, ganun lang siya. Pero, don't worry kung meron konting portion na hindi natanggal like this. Kasi, okay lang yan. May ibang recipe naman na may balat eh.
Kaya ba siya mahal dahil babalatan pa?
Hindi, mas mahal yung roasted na.
Okay.
The roasted one, 250 gram is 416.
Okay.
So, 116 pesos more.
Pero may balat pa rin yun, no?
Wala na.
Wala na.
Roasted na, skinned pa.
Okay.
So, if you
If you
don't
want
want to
to save
roast,
time,
you
wanna
just
save
buy the roasted one.
Pwede rin.
I'll share the link also. So, ayan. Ito like this,
Mas
ganun
mabilis na
din.
siya ma-scrape.
Ayan, oh. Oh, so, tanggal na.
Pag binibig.
Yan. And then you just scrape off some of the ones that's not coming off. Kaya, when you measure, di ba before you roast, you measure it to 40 grams, mag-extra ka to mga 43, 44. Kasi dati ginawa kong ganun, 40.
May
I
weight.
ended up doing it again.
Kasi may
Kasi
weight
kulang.
yung balat.
Oo, binalatan. Sometimes naman, kung ayaw mo too strong yung hazelnut, kung ano yung kulang, then that's it. Okay na. Kung ayaw mo na. If it's not too much, say mga hanggang 5 grams, okay na. Yon. So, let me just finish this and then we will start with doing the rest of the recipe. Okay, last. Ayan. So, ayan na. Mabilis na siya natanggal. O, ito masarap. Kasi wala na.
Oo, isa pa yan. Yung plano
Pero
mo
pag
tumikim,
ni-roast mo,
dagdagan.
tapos pag may natira and you eat it, masarap siya. Oo, okay siya. Kasi tinry ko yung na-extra ko. Masarap. Okay. So, let's, yan, para malinis din yung kitchen. So, I chose this one. Why did I choose this recipe? Kasi I tried one, yung tatlong ingredient lang. The hazelnut, the sugar, and the chocolate. Very chunky. Very chunky. So, when I asked you, syempre taste test, not so good yung feedback. But, if you're fond of hazelnut and you like that strong taste, okay yon. This one, I chose this kasi niluto niya. May cooking sa huli with the cocoa and the butter. That's the one that's made it spreadable. Pero, I'm changing the steps. I'll show you.
Mannerism.
So, first we are going to put in the sugar. We are going to mill it. Sabi niya dito sugar, pero I chose brown sugar para much healthier. This is the chocolate that I used. Beryl's. If you like mas masarap, then you can use Calibut. Ano siya yung Belgian. Calibut. C-A-L-L-E-B-A-U-T. Calibut. Pero ito, pwede na rin. Masarap na din siya. So, I buy the bars. Kung ayaw mo naman mag-cut, pwede bili ka na lang ng chips. Pwede rin yon. So, yan. This one. Because Calibut is 400, almost 500. The same.
Chips or
Chips or bar? Halos pareho lang.
At yung titignan mo dyan is how much are you gonna use?
Yeah.
Kasi you might get something cheap, but ginamit mo isang beses, dalawang beses, so it expires.
You have to,
Sayang din.
you have to be careful. You have to be choosy with your chocolate because it's Nutella. So,
share tayo.
pwede rin. Pwede rin. Ito, it's 300 plus. Sa SNR meron ito. Sa mga baking shops,
Maybe the rest of Dipo is very cheap. Sa may Harrison, yung silver.
yun, cheap yun. Oo.
Ano
Doon.
pangalan?
Resto Dipo.
Sa
Yung
Harrison?
mga restaurant doon bumibili.
Ah.
Sa may Harrison.
Let's start. So, what do you want? Matamis? Konting tamis? Sobrang tamis.
Tama lang.
Konti? So, we do 25 grams. Kasi yung ginawa ko 20 lang eh. So, we add a little bit more. So,
Yan yung maganda sa Thermomix, you can adjust the taste.
yes. Kasi pag 45, pang ano na yan, mga kids na. Yeah. Pero kung you're watching, yeah.
Pag
So,
mga sugar conscious.
sugar conscious. So, let's do
Wala
25.
kasing sugar, hindi rin masarap.
Oo. Mamaya papataste ko yung 20 grams.
Para
Dinala ko.
mamaya mataste
Oo.
niya. We have several versions already. Here. Sige.
25.
Ayan, 0 na. 15. 17, 18,
Oh, pwede na.
27. Okay na. Yeah. Yes. When you look for that in your cookie dough, you find the same picture. And kasi there are 2-3 recipes of
Marami, oo.
hazelnut.
Mm-mm.
So you can choose
Okay.
your own version.
So you press next.
You have your units already. You have your Thermomix na. Okay.
Si Tiffany meron na rin? Wala pa. Binibenta ni mama mo.
You have.
Si mama niya si Christine.
Ay, okay.
So press next. So it's going to mill it
Turn speed selector to 9.
9.
Next. As for 40 grams.
Yan, so magiging ganyan na siya. Okay? So the sugar. Tapos sabi niya, you add the hazelnuts and the dark chocolate. Pero I would suggest, add hazelnut first, mill it, and then pag satisfied ka na sa ano niya, tsaka mo lagay si chocolate kasi magbe-melt. So magiging sticky na, hindi na to,
Hirap na siya.
hindi na siya mag-grind. So yun yung ano ko. So 40 grams hazelnut. Ano?
Sorry.
What?
Wait. Okay.
Okay. I'm sure ito oh, di ba kulang na? So okay na yan.
Nabawasan ng isa.
Nabawasan ng isa.
Okay.
Okay, so you go next. Next.
So parang you skip the
You skip the chocolate.
first,
And
and then you
then
mill the
10 seconds
8.
again.
speed 8.
Speed 8. Right? I did it twice. Kasi medyo, ano pa siya, chunky pa. So, I did it twice. Wait. You have to scrape down yung yung iba para lahat. Mamaya makikita mo what I mean with the chocolate. Okay. Then, let's do it again. So, you just go back and then do it again.
Ilang percent? Baka mawala. Sige, sandali lang ako. I will just weigh my ingredients.
O, di ba? Mas fine na siya. Finer na. Right? So, you scrape it down again. So, medyo yung oil lumalabas din.
Pakita natin.
Pero not so much.
Pakita ko. Ito how many seconds?
Ano lang?
Yung 8?
10.
Yung 10, no? Yung 10 seconds. So, nakita mo siya.
20, oo. You do it twice.
But is it okay if you put 20 seconds over 10 so we can scrape down?
Pwede naman. Pwede
Maganda,
naman.
kasi you need to scrape down
Oo.
para mag-mix siya.
Oo.
So, 10-10. Oh, grind na siya.
So, this one, mabilis na lang to. So, now you go back. We put in the dark chocolate, pero this time, I use semi-sweet. Hindi dark kasi mapait daw. Pero I like dark.
Dark or semi-sweet?
Wait lang.
This is semi-sweet.
Anyway, na-measure ko na yan.
Semi-sweet yan.
Semi-sweet.
Semi-sweet.
Pero kung gusto mo dark, pwede rin. So now we do it again. Yung 10 seconds at 8. Tapos na.
Sige.
Okay. Then, we scrape it down. Ayan, oh, nag-watery na yung chocolate.
Yes, the water is
Parang nag-melt siya.
Yan siya.
So, the cocoa, I use Bensdorf.
Sasabay na.
Pwede din, pero gusto ko yung si Bensdorf kasi masarap siya. Pag gusto mo naman melt in your mouth, Valroma. Valroma. VALHROMA. Pero mahal siya. 15 grams.
Lahat ba sa ano? SNR?
Hindi. Sa mga baking supplies. Okay. Here. 15 grams. Oh.
Bakit negative siya? Yan. Yan, 0.
So, ilan sabi niya? 10 na lang. Gawin natin. Ba't ayaw?
5.
Tama na yan.
Okay na.
Kasi kanina pa eh. Okay. And then we add
Butter.
butter.
Butter yung kanina. Butter itong 35 grams. So, 0 na lang. Okay.
Butter.
Butter 35. Are we adding the butter?
Okay na?
30 pa lang.
25 grams.
Yan, 35.
Okay. And milk. Full cream milk. 50 grams.
Yan. There. 0. 50.
Talaga sila.
39, 45, 67, oops, 50, 47.
Okay.
Okay na yan. Butter and milk.
Yeah. Okay na. So ngayon, imi-melt niya na yung ano.
Mas mag-start tayo dun sa kabila.
Yeah.
5 minutes pa lang. Sige. We can start. Naka 3.3. Sige. Sabay na natin dito.
Okay. So we're done. Ako na.